Okay, friends and students, this is Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja, and we would like to go for a report. Before going to report, I consider that when sometimes report could not make some error of SQL data instance errors are coming. So to face this error, what should we do? We should go to C drive, users, my computer. In my computer, username is Abhijit. And into Abhijit, app data is a hidden file. If you will not find app data, then you can say that one hidden items को भी on कर देना तो वो आपको मिलेगी. App data में जाइए. App data में जाते हैं तो local computers आ गए. लोकल कंप्यूटर्स में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट होता है और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में आप देखो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एसक्यूएल सर्वर एक्सप्रेस ऐसा कोई फोल्डर है ही नहीं, क्योंकि ये होता तो ये मीडिया और एमएस के बीच में होता. तो मैं अभी इसको मिनिमाइज कर देता हूँ बेटा. मैं अब आपको ले जाना चाहूंगा आपके प्रोजेक्ट की तरफ. एफ ड्राइव, vb.net, डिवीजन ए, क्योंकि डिवीजन ए में ही मैंने एबीसी डिवीजन सबको पढ़ाया हुआ है. तो आपका डेटाबेस भी यहाँ पड़ा है bpccSC college.mdf. तो वो हम लोग अभी ओपन कर रहे हैं. I would like to add one form, Windows form. This is Windows form, you guys know very well. RPP division B SPL special report division B special SPL means special. I add this form, and you know that one e-commerce C data set, product detail data set, table adapter data set, e-commerce 2 division data set, college MVP, college BPCCS data set, and so many things are there. These are the component in toolbox where the data sets are already created. So we are going for a special report. So all you people, please kindly consider, because this is your last lecture for practical level. Special report for division B, student details. Fine. In reporting, report viewers are there. I drag and drop this report viewer. Then I go to the property. These steps you people know very well. I go to doc. I set as a bottom like data grid view. I stress this report viewer over there. Fine. This report viewer require RDLC file, because this report fetch the data from database, but without using connection, command, adapter, data set और डेटा रीडर. मतलब कि इसमें रिपोर्ट में डेटा आएगा डेटाबेस के टेबल से, बट ये edu.net बिल्कुल नहीं है. So we would like to take one report file, or for report file RDLC extension is there. Add new item. This is report. Report 1 is there, but I don't need this name. I would like to set RPP SPL division B. Report special division B, otherwise RPP division B SPL special. When I add this report, you can see that when my toolbox is changed. Yes, of course. And when my toolbox is changed, there is no text box, combo box, list box. जो फॉर्म के टूलबॉक्स में था वो नहीं. अब मैं आपको ले जाना चाहूंगा वहां पे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में. बाहर जाएंगे, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में एंट्री करेंगे. अभी भी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का वो फोल्डर नहीं बना है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एसक्यूएल एक्सप्रेस बिल्डर वगैरह. सो अभी मिनिमाइज कर दिया. हमने टेबल को उठाया, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप किया. ओके, यहाँ पे अब माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का एसक्यूएल का टेबल बनने वाला है, उसकी लॉग फाइल बनने वाली है जो हमने उड़ा दी. आई क्लिक ऑन न्यू, आई गो टू नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट, कॉलेज बीपीसीसीएस कनेक्शन स्ट्रिंग इज देयर. मतलब कि यहाँ पे तीनों डेटाबेस है, ई कॉमर्स 1, _C डिवीजन के लिए, E-2 डिवीजन A के लिए, और ये इसके लिए. I go to next. When you will find any error, you please be remember, आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एसक्यूएल सर्वर नाम का एक जो फोल्डर होता है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के अंदर, उसको उड़ाना है. रिट्राइविंग डेटा बेस इंफॉर्मेशन, क्योंकि आपके कॉलेज बीपीसीसीएस कॉलेज के डेटाबेस में से सिर्फ उसी को वो लेगा. उसमें इतने फील्ड है. I want to go for all the field. When I click on that, all fields are there. I click on finish. Please kindly concentrate. My data base and tables fields are there. RNO, integer 32. S name, string. When we create the table, we provide varchar. But S name, string. SCT, string. Gender, string. S percentage, decimal. S date of birth, date and time. When I click in OK, I found this table. And when I found the table, I can bind the fields over here, but you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fields are there. And I have only 3 columns. So I select, right click, insert, select the column, right click, insert column to right. Okay, 4 हो गए. Insert column to right. 5 हो चुके. Insert column to right. 6 हो चुके. I want to bind, because please be remember, this is a header section and this is data section. So select roll number display here. Select SNM, student name will display here. Select SCT, SCT will come here. S gender, then student gender is there, and then percentage is there, and the last one, S date of birth is there. Now I would like to change the title of this one, because I will give the semester 4 student detail is there. So I just want to give the roll number of it. So I remove RNO and I'm giving the title roll number, date of birth. Okay. अब ये हो चुका है. Now I would like to provide the proper title. So I right click on it, insert, page header. We will prepare chart also beta, but पहले हम लोग header ले लेते हैं. I click on header. This part will edit. I drag and drop text box. बाहर क्लिक करेंगे, यहाँ क्लिक करेंगे और उसको थोड़ा खींचेंगे ताकि गांधीनगर एडजस्ट हो जाए. ओके. अब F4 करके मैं प्रॉपर्टी में जा रहा हूँ, और जैसे ही प्रॉपर्टी आया आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड कलर है. सिलेक्ट द कलर्स फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. I provide this color. Font, I would like to provide red color font so it can be visualized properly. I go to font size 10 is very small, so I'm providing 12. And again, there was a problem that Gandhinagar is not visualized, so I just scratch it. Okay, my header is set. Now I select whole this row. F4, I come to the property. This is a text align property where default is there. I want to make it center. Look it out the effect, please kindly concentrate. When I click on that one, that particular row is making center. Roll number, student name, city, वो सब center में आ चुका है. अब सेम हम लोग उसका बैकग्राउंड कलर सेट करना चाहेंगे, बिकॉज बैकग्राउंड कलर है वो ज्यादा अच्छा रहता है. बॉर्डर कलर नहीं, बैकग्राउंड कलर. सो आई गो दैट, आई क्लिक ऑन दैट, आई प्रोवाइड dark blue, and font color I want white. So with blue, white is very always having a crazy font. Yes, same. Here the thing is over. My formatting is over. If I will go to that insert, page footer is there. Into page footer, you put it down, drag and drop this text box, and so many times function F4. If you want to go for background color, yes, yes, red, and again for this dark color I always prefer white because red white is very good. Okay, now I close this report. My formatting is done. It is asking me report division B SPL. Would you like to save? Yes, I press yes. And I go there, my dear friends. And you can see that one. RPT division B SPL, RDLC is there. So I click on it. This particular thing is bind. And when this particular thing is bind, I would like to run this form. The form name is RPT division B SPL. So I make right click, go to property, set as a startup form that you people know that one. RPT, ABCDFGHI, RPT. Yes, RPT division B SPL. I make this, I close this, and I run this. That's it. There is no coding. I'm not using any line of code. Report is generating. You can see. Yes, it is very nice. The thing is that one roll number I want to shrink, student name I want to grow, city, Rajkot, percentage I do not require so much. So let me make format properly. So you people can enjoy the proper format of it. So students RPT, RDLC file I want, and RPT division BSPC. When I double click on it, okay, look pick up roll number. I do not require so much space, so it is enough. Student name I have to. This is again default, but I want center because so all the things is in a proper way. So the data will come. It is asking me, would you like to save? Yes, save, and I run. Now you can see the effect. Yes. Dr. Rudra Prajapati, Kinjal Jadeja, Niyati Patni, and all data is completely okay within header, footer, and all that things. Okay, nice. We would like to stop it. I go to Server Explorer, my dear students and friends. I go to college bpccs.mdf, tables, student detail tables. I go show table data. There is only 3 fields are there. 1, 2, 3, 5, and in 5. So I would like to add number 3, 1974. Close, run, check. Oh, I entered the data, but it is not finding. So I would like to press refresh button. Why it is not coming? Third number record. Control C, Control V. Report viewer 1 dot refresh report. Okay, now it is available. So report viewer refresh can be done by form load coding event. So when I go there, you kindly observe report viewer 1 dot refresh report जो था उसकी कॉपी करके मैंने ऊपर चढ़ा दिया. इसलिए अब मैं जो भी डेटा डालूंगा वो रिफ्रेश होएगा, फिर डेटा लोड होगा और उसके बाद अगेन रिफ्रेश होगा. सो इफ आई वुड लाइक टू एंटर द record of birth is 2nd 19/2004. Okay, I would like to close it. I would like to make this. Okay, every time we need to refresh it. So the data is available now. Now, if we would like to go for a parameterized report, please kindly concentrate because this is very, very important. And if we want to make chart also, we can create chart. So RPT, after this table, I would like to pick up this table and move to topwards, insert and chart. Okay, there is a Excel chart type is there. So if you want to make the chart, then go to this line chart, click on OK. On that, as percentage, I put it down. Chart title I want to change, then I can change the title. Student and percentage. Here, name of student. Percentage. And I would like to increase the chart area because sometimes due to the reason of this area also, you cannot visible the chart properly. So I make it look 20, 40, 60, 80, all the things is there. I close it. I said yes. I run. And let me check report as well as chart is available with my data. And yes, you can see Angel Jadeja, Niyati Patni, Dr. Abhijit Palak, Dr. Rudra Prajapati, and the S percentage data is also available. Now, if you want to know that when this line chart is not so expressive, you would like to change the chart type. Yes, of course, you can. You go to RDLC, you go there, select chart type, and you straightforwardly says column chart. Now it will be more easy and more visible for individual student. So I close it, I run it, and you will be happy to find the data of the person, name of the person, and chart value is also there. Dr. Rudra Prajapati, his percentage is 99.99, so his percentage is highest. Dr. Abhijit Jadeja percentage is the lowest, 90, then you can see that one 90 is the smallest one. And student name is also coming very properly, employee series and all that things. So this is report and chart that I finished with this. Suppose if you don't need it, this thing, then you cancel it. So you will get all that things. Chart, show table labels. Yes, run. And last time you can check report with chart in a very proper way. Dr. Abhijit Jadeja 90.23 and all the data is coming very properly and very sound. The upward, this data is there. The bottom chart is there. So this is completion of it. Now, sometimes we would like to go that we want to make it parameterized query. So right click, add query, query builder. This particular query builder you guys know very well when you prepare Excel. As per student city, you want to make a query of it. So in a city, filter equal to question mark. The parameter is done. I press OK. I press OK. In a parameter, I want to change the label. I go there. Kindly concentrate. We have very few minutes in our hand, students. Parameter is there. Here I would like to go for JUNHGADH. And I click on fill by and I refresh. Junagadh record is coming, but the problem is what? When I press refresh, then it will come. So if I would like to represent this particular fill by within this button, here I would like to take report viewer, Control C, parameter report query generated automatic. I press Control V. Go to property, enter city name. Here fill by is also there. Go property. I prepare SEARCH search button. You can see all the records, all the people, all the report chart, everything is coming. But when I go to here and I press JUNHGADH, Junagadh, when I click on search, yes, Niyati Patni and Dr. Abhijit is only there. If I click there and I click on Pune, only one record coming, Palak, and Palak's percentage is also coming within a parameter. If I will go there and I will click on Rajkot, then two people are that, Kinjal Jadeja and Dr. Rudra Prajapati, and the chart is also there. Kinjal Jadeja get 98.23, Dr. Rudra Prajapati get 99.29, and when I go to that and I click on refresh, but for all the records we do not do nothing, but if we would like to remove this, there is no record. So this is what that we would like to go with this here button. I click on this button and in a load event, whatever the things is written, because at form load all record is coming, Control V. I go there. This button is nothing, so I delete this button. This button I want, so property, button 2, show all, and I run. Kindly concentrate, guys. All record coming. When I type JUNHGADH, then Abhijit and Niyati is there. When I click on it, all record coming again. If I will go there, Rajkot, search, only Rajkot, people, chart prepare, record coming. And when I click on all is coming. When I go there, Pune, and search only Palak is a person is getting on Pune, but this is all record. So I click on it and all record coming. So within this report, chart, everything is finished. Thank you so much to learn with Abhijit, Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja. And when you go to Microsoft, look, Microsoft SQL Server data is already available. Previously, it was not there. So whenever you start chart and reporting, you must need to delete this folder. I start this video along with this folder. If you do not remove this folder, your report and chart will not work. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.